Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to pay your Atome card bill using the Seabank account step by step. So before proceeding, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Atome application. Now, once you are on this page, you will see this bills tab here in the bottom. So you need to first of all click on bills and here select the tab of unbilled. Over here, you will see all of your outstanding balance and the due date. So here you will see the option of pay now. So you just have to simply click on this option. Then you will see this type of page where it will show you your payment method. So if you want to continue with this payment method, you can click on the confirm payment. But since you want to make the payment using the Seabank account, I would recommend you to click on this change option. Now as soon as you click on this change option, you will see the list of all of the banks here that are available on your Atome application. So Atome will show you a unique bank account number that usually from their payment partner like BDO and the Union Bank, and this is where you will send the payment. So make sure that you copy the exact amount and the account details that are shown over here. Now once this step is done, you need to simply launch your Seabank mobile application just like so. Over here you will see the available balance in your account here in the top. Now in order to send the money, you need to first of all click on the option of pay/transfer. Afterwards, you need to simply click on the option of send money. Then from the list of the bank accounts, you need to select the option of to other bank and select the bank listed in your Atome bill. It can be BDO or the Union Bank. So after selecting it, you will have to simply paste the account number, enter the exact amount, and then you need to double check everything that you have entered there. Once everything done, you need to simply confirm your transaction and tap on the send option, and your payment will go through instantly or within a few minutes. You will see this type of section where it will say that the payment is now successful. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.